Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself positive, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make bacon and southern potatoes O'Brien breakfast bites. This recipe makes 24 tasty bites. They are simple to make, savory, and delicious. Serve these with fruit or enjoy these portable bites as they are. Can't wait to show you how I make this, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. First, let's cook a 16-ounce package of bacon until crispy. I have crumbled the bacon and I also have 2 cups of Southern style O'Brien hash browns. These are frozen and have been defrosting on the counter for about 15 minutes. At this point, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Let's grease a muffin pan. I have 1 muffin pan, so I will be making 12 at a time. If you have 2, then you will be enjoying the bites faster than I am. Place the muffin pan to the side, and now for the biscuits. From a 16-ounce can of biscuits, not the flaky biscuits, you will need 6 biscuits. Cut each biscuit into 4 pieces. Lay 1 piece of biscuit into the bottom of each muffin pan. Let's layer the other ingredients. Add about 1 tablespoon of potatoes on top of biscuits. Then follow with about 2 teaspoons of crumbled bacon for each muffin cup. Here I have divided it to make it easier to distribute evenly. Then sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of shredded Italian cheese blend over the potatoes and bacon. Place the muffin pan to the side, and now for the egg mixture. You may use a bowl or a 4-cup measuring cup. You will need 10 eggs. Mix and set to the side. You will also need 1½ cups of milk. To the milk, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Here I've decided to pour the beaten eggs into the milk before adding any more seasonings. You may add everything at once into a large bowl or a 4-cup measuring container. I just like to beat the eggs first before adding it to the milk. Mix and add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of dried chives and mix. The egg mixture is ready to be poured into each muffin cup. Fill each muffin cup 3/4 full with the egg mixture. For the first batch of the breakfast bites, I've used exactly 2 cups of egg mixture. Now it's time for them to bake. At 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Now, if you have 1 muffin pan like I do, then repeat the process once again. If you have some leftovers of the bacon, cheese, and potatoes, just add it evenly to each muffin cup. Extra deliciousness in each bite. Let the breakfast bites cool in the pan for 3 to 5 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack or plate. These bacon and Southern potatoes O'Brien breakfast bites are tender and tasty. The taste of the smoky bacon, fluffy eggs, the savory cheese, and the piece of biscuit come together to make a satisfying breakfast treat. If you have leftovers, you can place them in an airtight container, which they last for up to 5 days, or freeze them in a freezer bag for later. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.